Hi guys, happy Independence Day for everyone. So I know after 90 days I'm doing this video. It's very long time, but I'm giving promise. Now I will start everything. Uh, I will do weekly 2 to 3 videos definitely, and according the application process. And everyone knows now it's time to start application process for summer intake 2027, and we have approx 1 to 2 months only time for summer intake application process. So according to me, most of the universities start applications approx October 15th and end of the November or end of the December. So in between, we need to post our applications, but before October, we need to prepare our documents. So in this video, I want to tell some things, some checklist, and also I will explain you everything how to prepare our documents according to university, according to course, and I made checklist also, and I will explain you according to every checklist and that requirements. So when you talk about most important checklist, everyone know IELTS, APS, and TOEFL or IELTS, APS, and university checklist is most important shortlist, and transcripts, degree certificate, mark sheets. Those are common things, but I will tell you some hidden checklists. Most of the people doesn't tell you. Any video I observe, look at many videos I had to see in YouTube. No one tell about those things, but in this video I will tell you. And coming soon video, I will explain you according to the every checklist how can we prepare, and I will show you and I will share you my checklist also. In this video only just I want to say today we are starting our process, and we can go live through. Like I'm also doing my application process. You can look my application process. You can check it and you can watch it. Then you are also you can easily you can do your application process without any help, or don't need to go any kind of consultancy also. We can do easily self application process. So that's why I'm here to explain whole application process how to we do. So first of all I want to tell some checklists. Many people don't know those type of checklist. Syllabus description, model description. Many people don't have idea about that. I know everyone have universities passed out. Some people are studying in college or university anywhere. Uh, Model checklist means when you take the example of one university or no requirement, like I'm planning to apply renewable energy, e-mobility. Okay, so that course have some basic description are provided in university, like application criteria. They need record some ECTS. They will ask. So they require some subject ECTS like maths, physics, chemistry, or field mechanics, dynamics, and many type of subjects are there. Renewable energy, related. So they will expect some models or some subjects you need to study in your bachelor. So we need to prepare according the that university, according the course. Like we need to provide officially university or college syllabus list. So I will share you my example of university syllabus list in description also. And I'm telling just about whole things, not this video. Just I'm telling about the checklist, some hidden checklist. And coming soon video, we will prepare according the checklist. Everything I will share you. No worry about that. Definitely, you will do your self process, guys, after watching my videos. So, and also I will tell you about SOP, LOR, LOIM also how to prepare, and I will show you in live case making LOS, SOM, everything. Okay. And another hidden checklist is required. Project work and project documents, like many people have done their projects, but some people are doing mistake in uploading project files in Uni-Assist and university portals for submitting their project details. Don't do one thing, guys. uh, especially we don't need to submit your project details to university without asking. Okay. uh, you can do one thing. We can prepare one portfolio according to the project, like approx 10 to 12 pages of portfolio. In that, first 4 pages of your original project signatures and stamp, we can put it. Then remaining pages, we need to explain very shortly according to our project. They can understand. It's a portfolio of your project, but main thesis is keep it. If they personally they will ask you, then you need to submit. Don't upload your portfolio, right? Don't upload your project file direct into university, because it's taking too much time and too much lengthy, because they will verify your whole project. So approximately when you talk about 50 pages, not a small thing for verify all things. No, that's why. Don't do too much pressure on your application process. Do it very simply and easily. Okay. And we need uh, another one: receive application letters, upload documents, and university portals. Yeah, some people have also doubts according transcripts and mark sheets. According to me, both are same, but transcripts it's a verified thing. But if we have transcript, you need to upload your transcript and also mark sheet. Both we need to submit in Uni-Assistant, guys. Don't upload single transcripts, skipping mark sheet. We need to upload both. If you don't have transcripts, no problem. You can move on with your mark sheets. It's enough for admission. In case they will ask you, then we can provide you transcript, but not recommended. If you have, you can upload. It's good thing. And university checklist, university shortlist. Okay. Many people are came many feel like many course ESE, mechanical, civil, electronics, many fields. So we need to check. We need to how to shortlist university according to our bachelors. I'm doing that also. It will take full video length. So I'm another video I will do according this. Uh, we need to compare whole things. At least means everyone doing going that website and filtering, they're selecting, not like that. We need to read whole description according the course. We need to compare with our subjects. When it matches, then we can add in our checklist. Otherwise, don't add. It's a waste of the time, waste of the money, guys. They will reject directly. It doesn't match your checklist, they will reject it. And also, many people doing, they will ask 6.5 7 band. Some case like uh, approx 10% university only they will ask you C1 level certificate for English. If you have C1, you can go it. Don't do like if you have 6.5, don't try to apply 7 band. Like it's directly it's we will get rejection. So nowadays it's too much competition happened in Germany. That's why I'm recommended to you. Uh, I can help you for university's checklist and preparing documents, everything. I will do videos according the whole things. In this video, just I want to update like us. Now we are starting our application process from today. I will give you some checklist in description. Look at it. If we have, it's a good thing. Otherwise, we will prepare as soon as possible. We have a time, approx 1 to 2 months. No worry about that. It's enough for us. And also we will prepare our IELTS and APS. If you don't have APS, uh, I will give you some videos according the dMAT exam. And I'm also preparing A2 exam now. I have a A2 in September 23. I can help you my notes. Definitely, I will provide you. Definitely, it will be help you guys. A2 and A1 notes both. And also, I will say you IELTS recording. Many people are watching and doing wrong preparation at IELTS. IELTS preparation is different, and explain you how to prepare also. I hope guys everyone understand in this video. We will start today from today, okay? And coming soon videos definitely it will be used for you. Everyone please subscribe it and we will do our self process. Definitely we will get public university. It's my promise, guys, if you do properly. And also you need to match those merits. Okay, thank you, guys.